If you're on the hunt for a high-quality juicer that delivers exceptional performance without taking up too much space, this Ninja JC101 Cold Press Pro Compact Powerful Slow Juicer is a fantastic choice. This slow juicer, available in a sleek graphite black color, offers a range of features designed to make juicing easy and efficient. Whether you're new to juicing or looking to upgrade your current equipment, the Ninja JC101 stands out as a reliable and powerful option. In this detailed review, we'll delve into the key features, benefits, and reasons why this juicer is a must-have for any health-conscious kitchen. Why choose the Ninja JC101 Cold Press Pro Compact Powerful Slow Juicer? 1. Professional refurbishment. One of the first things to note about this product is that it's part of Amazon Renewed. This means the juicer has been professionally inspected and tested to work and look like new. If you're concerned about purchasing pre-owned items, rest assured that Amazon-qualified suppliers ensure the product meets high standards before it's sold. Plus, with the Amazon Renewed guarantee, you can replace or refund the product if it doesn't meet your expectations. Number 2. Compact and powerful design. The Ninja JC101 boasts a compact design measuring 13.78 inches in length, 6.889 inches in width, and 14.17 inches in height. This makes it perfect for kitchens of all sizes, including those with limited counter space. Despite its compact size, this juicer packs a powerful punch, capable of handling various fruits and vegetables with ease. Its slow juicing process ensures maximum extraction of nutrients and juice, giving you a healthier and more flavorful drink every time. Total pulp control. One of the standout features of the Ninja JC101 is its total pulp control. This feature allows you to adjust the amount of pulp in your juice, catering to different preferences. Whether you enjoy a pulp-free juice or like a bit of texture, the Ninja JC101 makes it easy to customize your drink. This flexibility is perfect for families with varying tastes and ensures everyone can enjoy their juice just the way they like it. 4. Easy to clean. Cleaning a juicer can often be a tedious task, but the Ninja JC101 is designed with ease of cleaning in mind. The parts are easy to disassemble and can be rinsed under running water or placed in the dishwasher. This hassle-free cleaning process saves you time and effort, making juicing a more enjoyable experience. The compact design also means fewer parts to clean, adding to the convenience. 5. Durability and quality. Made from high-quality materials, the Ninja JC101 is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand regular use without compromising performance. This durability is especially important for a refurbished product as it reassures you of the juicer's longevity and reliability. Investing in a durable juicer means you can enjoy fresh, homemade juice for years to come without worrying about frequent replacements. Slow juicing, also known as cold pressing, is renowned for preserving the maximum amount of nutrients and enzymes in fruits and vegetables. Unlike traditional juicers that generate heat and cause oxidation, slow juicers operate at a low speed, ensuring that the juice retains its nutritional value. With the Ninja JC101, you can enjoy healthier, more nutritious juice that supports your overall well-being. Whether you're juicing for detox, weight loss, or simply to add more vitamins and minerals to your diet, this slow juicer is an excellent choice. The Ninja JC101 is not only practical, but also incredibly convenient. Its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and the lightweight design means you can move it around your kitchen with ease. The powerful motor ensures efficient juicing, while the quiet operation means you can juice early in the morning or late at night without disturbing others. This combination of practicality and convenience makes the Ninja JC101 a valuable addition to any kitchen. Customers who have purchased the Ninja JC101 Cold Press Pro Compact Powerful Slow Juicer have praised its performance, ease of use, and quality. Many reviewers have highlighted the efficiency of juice extraction and the ability to control pulp levels as major benefits. The compact design and easy cleaning process have also been frequently mentioned as key selling points. With positive feedback and a high level of customer satisfaction, the Ninja JC101 has proven itself to be a reliable and popular choice among juicing enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Ninja JC101 Cold Press Pro Compact Powerful Slow Juicer is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, nutritious juice at home. Its compact and powerful design, total pulp control, ease of cleaning, and durability make it a standout product in the juicing market. The professional refurbishment and Amazon Renewed guarantee add an extra layer of confidence to your purchase, ensuring you get a product that meets high standards of quality and performance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your juicing experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. Join the growing number of satisfied customers who have discovered the benefits of the Ninja JC101 and start enjoying fresh, delicious juice every day. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.